We are the Georgian High School Gravediggers with Team 6411. Our robot essentially is a switch and exchange bot. So our wheels here are what grab the cubes, and then we would either spit them into the exchange, or we can go grab that box and lift it up and put it into the switch. The parts that we have here are just some compliant wheels, and then we have wheels in the back that just hold the box. Our arms, we drilled hole in those to make those lighter, and the only thing that really lifts it up is just some 80-20 and some bearings on that. So our robot, that's pretty much it. We have our autonomous working pretty nicely now with this just basically lifting upwards and spinning the box out. And besides that, that's pretty much it. We're using tank drive with the 6 wheels, 3 on each side, using 77 motors here, 3 77s on the wheels, and 1 for our climber. And we're using Sims for our drivetrain. And that's pretty much about it. This was a change. We didn't have our auto in Salt Lake, so we were just doing a baseline auto on that. But now that we got this thing, it's been working very, very efficiently now. And we changed these holes here, so we drilled holes in we made a whole new box grabber and drilled holes in it to make it lighter.